One of the things I hit on a lot on this channel is proper form and technique, and because that is so important to help you be able to build your skills and abilities quickly with the jump rope. And one of those techniques is proper rope rotation. You don't want to be rotating your rope with your arms rotating at the elbows or shoulders. This creates big arm circles, a lot of movement, and inconsistency in your rope path. Instead, you want to be rotating your rope strictly with your wrists.
Oh yeah.
The problem is beginners start to try to start the rope from a standstill strictly with their wrists. If this is you, first off, you're awesome for implementing what has been taught in form and technique. However, this is not the proper way to start the rope, and so I want to show you guys, give you the quick breakdown on how to do that so you can get started quickly and easily. Grab your rope and let's do this. All right, so the first thing you need to do when you're gonna start with your first jump is queuing the rope up behind your calves or the back of your ankles. What this looks like is getting the rope just below the biggest part of your calves, and you're gonna hold your hands out in front, pulling the rope tight. This keeps tension in the rope. Now from there, you're gonna use a smooth, fluid motion, just bringing the rope back. And as you can see, just that's gonna start kicking the rope out and up. So it doesn't have to be a big motion. We're not moving our arms like that. We're just gonna give a small back and then just kind of follow it around with our wrists and then right back into our form. So cue the rope up, keep it tight. It's a small move back, bringing it up and over and right into your single unders. Make sure to keep that good form. So that's the most basic version of getting your rope started. Keep practicing that and that's going to become very easy to you. Now there is another option. This is a little bit more advanced because if you need to know how to do side swings. You can do it with a single or a double side swing. So a single side swing is just right here. And then a double side swing is here. So this is the way that I like to start my jumping because now instead of just starting from a dead standstill, I already have momentum built into the rope so I can, if I need to start like in a workout and I want to start right into a fast pace, it's much easier to do so. So usually what it looks like is just this. It's just a side swing, boom, and I'm going. It's what I also consider the side under. So you're just starting out in that. So side, under. You can do that on either side, whatever is more comfortable for you. And if you just need to get used to doing those side swings, just stand in one spot, do those. You want is keep the rope as vertical as possible. You don't want it with a whole bunch of side motion. You're not twisting your body. It's just a soft back and forth of the hands. And then when you want to, when their top hand crosses across your body, you're just gonna open it back up. And then you're rolling. Or you can do double side swings. This is also a nice way to rest during intervals in your workout. And then you can just, again, when your top hand crosses over your body, boom, open up, and you're already rolling. Now you know how to start your first jump with the jump rope. If you are having issues with trip-ups, check out the video I have linked right over here. It shows you exactly what's going on so you can learn how to self-diagnose your trip-ups and avoid them at all costs. Check out the other videos on the channel, and I will see you in the next video.